Hello and welcome. I'm so excited for y'all to be here today. This is an incredible opportunity for me as well, and hopefully for you guys. This is a first time I've ever seen somebody working and repairing an iPhone. Now, this iPhone is probably the criticalest condition I have ever seen. So, I got the other piece over here in my box. So, yes, it is completely trashed. Completely trashed. I got this one for $20 on Marketplace, and I was actually wanting to do something a little bit different for this subscription. So, guys, I need y'all's help in to like and subscribe this video. Now, I don't have the funds. I'm very serious. I don't have the funds for this, guys. I really want to do this. So, it's y'all's opportunity to see the first iPhone 11 repaired, fully conditioned. I know that this part of this phone is just it's just trashed. It's just trashed. I know it's upsetting, guys. I know the Apple fans out there are not going to like it. But I really would love to do a full restoration on this broken iPhone. Will it take what it needs to be reconditioned as original condition? Now, I'm not ensured that all the parts are going to be OEM. I don't want it to be an OEM. I just need it to be a well-functionable phone so that way I can use it. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Please, this is just an intro of my iPhone 11. I can't wait and see how much gigabytes it has and whatnot. And I'm ready to do whatever it takes to get this phone fixed. Now, peace out, guys. I love y'all.